This video will show you how to raise a task from Housekeeping Console. Requests for guest services can also be raised from the Housekeeping Console also. Let us see how. Log into the Housekeeping Console. Note, users who have access to the Housekeeping Console can manage guest requests from here. On the left-hand side of the Housekeeping Console, click Task List button. Click Add Task. Task panel will open. Note, from here the housekeeping staff can raise requests on behalf of guests, add internal requests and report incidents if any. Select Guest as request type. Select work area from where the request has been received. Select job type from the drop-down. Select service type, extra water. Click Assign Staff to assign this task to a staff. Status will show in progress till it is completed. Select the date and time for the task added. Click OK. Note, the Housekeeping Console will be updated with the changes. This brings us to the end of the video on how to raise a task from Housekeeping Console.